Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To our returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. If you're just joining me for the very first time, thank you so much. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what guys, we're about to have a ride of a lifetime. Jackie B has gone ahead to accuse Angel of stealing. How did these all start? So we see Jackie B and J Paul in the dining area having a conversation. And what were they talking about? So we see Jackie B telling J Paul that, you know what, I borrowed Angel my shoes. And when I borrowed her the shoes, whatever she wanted to use it for, and when it was time for her to return it, I went to meet her and said, what's up, where is my shoe? And guess what Angel was saying? Angel was saying that she can't remember where she put the shoe. And Jackie was beginning to feel that Angel did not want to return the shoes.
What's that? I don't know. Maybe I don't want to sound like I'm being funny, but I don't steal. If you can't honestly go and hide it, it's not even stealing, it's malicious. It's probably just trying to do how much shoes cost.
Now I'm beginning to wonder where this is coming from, because she eventually got back the shoes, right? But this is a narrative she's selling to J Paul, because J Paul is also shocked, and J Paul is here saying that he hates fast fingers, he hates people who steal, and that Jackie B right now is changing the perception, the ideology that he has about Angel.
Nah, you just changed my perspective of it. Nah. I hate fast fingers, I don't like that.
Now remember that Jackie B does not like Angel, and I'm going to tell you two things. So the first is about Michael. So here it is. Jackie B likes Michael. She's probably having a thing for Michael. And here she sees Angel also trying to intrude into their relationship. But the honest truth is this, right? Angel and Jackie B both spotted the guy on the first day, and they both said they liked him and they were going to shoot their shots. But Jackie B was the one who was fast enough to shoot her shot. Now, the second one is this. Yesterday's eviction process also affected Jackie B. How? So this is Bbnaija saying that, you know what, if he won ahead of us, if he was the person who could choose his deputy, he would have chosen Angel. Now, this same Angel is the Angel that Jackie B does not like, right? And this is the Angel that Jackie B even said in the diary room that she would want to check out from the house if she had the opportunity, because Angel irritates her.
I would say Angel, because just normally I don't like to have people that irritate me around me.
I look forward to the Sunday evictions, and I hope Ebuka will literally ask her this question: why were you accusing Angel of stealing? Moving on to my next year. So we see Liquorose and Emmanuel after the evictions last night, right, on the garden. And of course, Liquorose was really feeling bad. And here she's telling Emmanuel that, you know what, I am not happy with the way you answered Ebuka's questions. I mean, you made it look so platonic. You weren't even telling Ebuka that, you know what, bro, this relationship is not one-sided. I am also in this relationship as much as she's also in the relationship. But here she's telling Emmanuel that, you know what, your answer was political and it was one-sided.
Your answer to you think your answer was true, but to everybody, your answer was political.
That's how you felt about the answer.
Everyone knew I was pissed about it except you.
She went ahead to say that, you know what, if she's going to listen to everything that people are saying in the house, she will not stand the side of Emmanuel, because a lot of times people come to tell her things that probably not true or true, whatever it is. A lot of people come to tell her about the fact that Emmanuel is probably not as vested into this relationship as you are. But of course, she chooses to just ignore those stuffs and all of that, that if she decides to listen to them, she will not even stand the side of him. She went ahead to say that she doesn't want to look like somebody who's forcing herself on a guy, because I mean, the first 2-3 weeks, we saw the fact that, Liquorose was trying to just start off this relationship and all of that. But come on, I think at this point she's beginning to have reflections and saying that, you know what, I don't want to get outside there. I'm beginning to say that it was me that was forcing myself on you, and I was trying to make this work, and you just, saying that, you know what, we're just friends.
I don't want to, maybe by the end of the show, they'll start seeing clips of you. First week, second week, third week, no, we're just cool, though, we're just friends. And then it's looking like, oh, because I didn't even tell anybody anything. When they asked me, like, oh, I really like the guy, I like him a lot.
She said she looked stupid, and she was wondering what was missing, because everybody was thinking this relationship is one-sided. So what am I missing in this whole equation? Because she said that, you know what, when people come to me, I tell them I like Emmanuel. Emmanuel is my kind of guy. I really love this guy, right? But she doesn't know what he tells them when she's not there. Well, by the time Emmanuel was going to speak, he said that he doesn't like the fact that he's been misunderstood in this whole situation.
I tried doing this, I tried that, but you're not doing anything. That's what you're trying to say.
All I'm saying is, I felt like when Ebuka asked that question, the first thing you'd have done was, no, Ebuka, it's not one-sided.
But one particular thing that could really calm the Liquorose fans down was the fact that this morning we saw both of them in bed, and we saw Emmanuel giving Liquorose a foot massage. Finally on this chase, last night we saw Bbnaija for the third night in a row. He was putting Angel to sleep in her bed. And a lot of housemates were wondering, Bbnaija, what are you doing here with Angel, right? But I think it's very obvious right now that Bbnaija and Angel might sail. They are both people who are streetwise, right? They know what they're doing. They're crazy guys, right? And I think they're beginning to feel themselves, because some of the houses were even feeling pity for Sammy. And Sammy was like, you know what? He frees both of them to do whatever they have to do. I really understand how Sammy feels at that point. You're looking at a girl that you really, really do like, and he's probably getting over her. But here is Buma, your guy in the house also, right? In bed with your girl.
Oh Lord.
Let me know what you think. Please go to the comment section and let us continue our conversations there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bells so that you get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Emmanuel. And until next time I come your way very soon, it's bye for now.